Many people like cars. Some people like cars a lot. They like cars that go off-road. These cars are called cross-country cars. They are good for adventures. Cross-country cars are tough. They can handle rough roads. They are good for going on holiday. You can take them to the beach or the mountains. The Volvo EX30 Cross Country is a new car. It looks good. It has a big grille. The headlights are LED. Inside, the car's nice. It has a big screen. The seats are comfy. It has lots of space for stuff. The Volvo EX30 Cross Country has a good engine. It is powerful. It can go fast. It is also very safe. The car handles well. It is easy to drive. It is fun to drive off-road. It can go through mud and water. The Volvo EX30 Cross Country is a good car. It is good for people who like adventure, but it is expensive. It might not be good for everyone. If you want a good car for adventures, this is it. But it is important to think about the price. Make sure you really need a car like this.